Any questions, guys? Like anything that comes to mind? I want to keep the goal around you guys getting your first deal within your first contract within 45 days. Um, you know, what do you think comes to mind? What are some gaps that you guys might have right now?
I think this was the missing piece for me, because now that I got batch going, now I've just got to print that script out and then make some phone calls, because I don't mind calling. People can tell me to get lost or whatever. I don't care. That doesn't bother me. But I will, I'll call these. I'm looking at the screen, 44 available, 3 suppressed. If I get a hold of 4, that's already a good start. The next day, try the other ones,
Oh, yeah.
So,
yeah. Start with calling, 5 today and see what happens. 10, try and speak to some people.
Yeah, absolutely.
Remember, when you're let's say you're going to be calling them, the goal is to set the stage and see if they have 7 or 10 minutes. If they don't, then set up the time when they do.
Okay.
So try not to rush the sales script too much.
Yeah.
Like it happened to me twice this morning. I called and the guy was like, "Oh yeah, I do want to sell. I'm in the middle of something, but what's your offer? What you got?" Like, "Hey man, look, I don't want to be rushed for you. Like I want to give you the best offer possible. And I really do need to I need to ask you a set of questions. When's a better time, man, that we can chat for 7 to 10 minutes?" He's like, "Okay, yeah, call me at 4." So I'd much rather you guys do that. So you get the best quality call and close deals.
Yeah. That way they're focused and they got time and they pay full attention.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
It's like, imagine trying to sell a mortgage to somebody that's like, feeding their kids and changing diaper. Like, it's not gonna happen, right? Like you need them concentrated in a quiet space. Like, tell me your income, what's your credit like, all that stuff.
Yeah. Without all the information, you can't make a decision. You know what I mean? Yeah.
The way you got to think about it is like legitimately, right? Like, I'm not talking shit. Legitimately, we cannot make an offer for a house that we don't know the condition on.
Right.
So if they are not willing to give us a condition, like it could be a full teardown, it could be beautiful. Like, there's a big difference in price, right? Like, especially in the area you're going to be at, Richard, that the prices are $500K. If a house is a teardown, it's probably going to be worth 200. But if a house is beautiful, it's probably going to be worth 350. It's a huge.
Right.
If he's not willing to be on the phone with you for 7 minutes to tell you about that, then it's, you just tell him, "Hey, look, I'm not your buyer, man. I actually like buy houses, and I'm looking. I need information about it."